Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of The Power of Logic. So from today I'm going to start reviewing the 2022 Aime Ii problems. So let's start with number 1. Adults made up 5/12 of the crowds of people at the concert. After a bus carrying 50 more people arrived, adults made up 11/25 of the people at the concert. Find the minimum number of adults who have been at the concert after the bus arrived. So, now, this problem is obviously a minimization or optimization problem. Now, let's say that if we call this quantity the population of adults before the arrival of new people, call it X. Well, actually, we're going to call the total population before arrival, called X. Then now we have adult 1, which is before it's going to be what? 5/12. 5/12x. Now, after a bus carries 50 more people to arrive, it's not necessarily how many people, like how many adults must be in the 50 more people. We can have 0 adults, or we can have 50 adults. Now let's just say that let y be the number of adults in the 50 people. Now, let y be the number of adults in the 50s. Then we can actually make this equation. So we're going to have 5/12x plus y over x plus 50. And that is going to be equal to 11/25, which y is between 0 and 50 inclusive. Now, if we can just consider this equation and see what are we going to get. So we're going to isolate x and y, obviously. 11x plus 550 is equal to, my apology for the writings are not that good, 12x plus 25y. Now we're going to multiply everything by 12. We get 132x plus, actually, you know what? I'm just going to subtract to the other side. Then you have y, and that is actually equal to, wait, no. We have 25y minus 550. That is equal to 7/12x. Now, we want to minimize the value of x, right? Well, actually, we want to minimize the value of 5/12x plus y. Now, let's look at what is happening when y. Well, y can obviously not equal to 0. Like this quantity is not going to make sense. So if y is equal to 22, then x is equal to 0. But we obviously do not want this to happen, even though actually in the problem statement, this is actually a valid situation. Then this will actually give us, so it's 22 and x is equal to 0. then this will actually just get our answer as 22, but this does not sound right. So basically, we want x to divide 12. So therefore, if we let x be equal to 12m, then this will actually become 25y minus 550 is equal to 7m. Now we can actually do some modulo 7. So 550 modulo 7, we can actually easily compute that. This gives us 7, 49, 60, and this gives us 8. So 4 mod 7. So 25y is equal to 4 mod 7, and I believe that this one you can just solve this by inspection. So 100 minus 7, no, 100 minus 3 is not going to work, and so you just want to find 25k. 25k is congruent to 4 mod 7. Now we'll just check through all of these. So k equals 1 exactly works. So if k is equal to 1, then basically, well, but we cannot really have we obviously cannot have 1 as our choice. So this can actually give us a residual system, and we want to find an expression. So now this one's essentially just 1 plus 7k. So, and 1 plus 7k is obviously greater than 22. So we're going to get 4 as our minimum. So therefore, from this, we're going to have 25 times 29 minus 550 is equal to 7 over 12, 7 over 12x. Now, we compute this, and we get 725 minus 7 over 12x. Now, this side is just 175 times 7, so 300 is equal to x. Now, if x is equal to 300, then so this will actually give us, so 300 is equal to x, so 14,154. Yeah, so therefore 154 is indeed just our answer. Yeah, thank you for watching, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.